Alcohol affects brain's chemistry by altering levels of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit the signal throughout the body that controls thought processes, behavior, and emotion. Neurotransmitters are either excitatory, meaning that they stimulate brain electrical activity, or inhibitory, meaning that they decrease brain electrical activities. Alcohol increases the effects of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA in the brain. At the same time, alcohol inhibits the excitatory neurotransmitter glutamate. Suppressing this stimulant results in a similar type of physiological slowdown. In addition to increasing the GABA and decreasing the glutamate in the brain, alcohol increases the amount of chemical dopamine in the brain's reward center, which creates the feeling of pleasure that occurs when someone takes a drink. When you take a drink, about 20% of the alcohol is absorbed in your stomach. The remaining 80% is absorbed in your small intestine. How quickly the alcohol is absorbed depends on two factors. One is the concentration of the alcohol in the drink. Vodka, for example, will be absorbed faster than beer, because vodka has a higher alcohol concentration. The other is whether you've just eaten a big meal. A full stomach will slow down alcohol absorption. After the alcohol is absorbed, it enters your bloodstream and is carried throughout your body. When alcohol enters your brain, it first affects the cerebral cortex. In this region, where thought processing and consciousness are centered, alcohol depresses the behavior inhibitory centers, making the person less inhibited. It slows down the processing of information from the eyes, ears, mouth, and other senses. And it inhibits the thought processes, making it difficult to think clearly. Next, alcohol affects the center of movement and balance, called cerebellum, resulting in a staggering, off-balance swagger we associate with the so-called falling down drunk. And then alcohol comes to the hypothalamus and pituitary, which coordinate automatic brain functions and hormone release. Alcohol depresses nerve centers in the hypothalamus that control sexual arousal and performance. Although sexual urge may increase, sexual performance decreases. Alcohol eventually arrives at medulla. This area of the brain handles such automatic functions as breathing, consciousness, and body temperature. By acting on the medulla, alcohol induces sleepiness. It can also slow breathing and lower body temperature, which can be life-threatening. So next time when you are consuming alcohol, remember not to drink too much.